Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on the latest products in the market.
Today, we're buzzing with excitement to introduce you to the best honeybee dish towels available. Introducing the Honeybee Kitchen Hand Towel Set by Tegeme. These charming towels are not just your ordinary kitchen essentials. They're a delightful addition to any home. Crafted with care from reliable polyester, these towels are as durable as they are adorable.
Say goodbye to scratchy, low-quality towels and hello to softness that lasts.
With 4 different styles in each set, you'll have plenty of options to suit your mood and decor.
Whether you're drying dishes, wiping countertops, or simply adding a touch of whimsy to your kitchen, these towels are up for the task. See? These towels are not only functional but also a hit with those who've already brought them into their homes.
But wait, there's more. These towels are not just for the kitchen. They're versatile enough to be used in restaurants, hotels, offices, and more. Plus, their compact size makes them easy to store when not in use.
So, if you're looking to add a pop of personality to your kitchen while also enjoying the benefits of high-quality dish towels, look no further than the Honeybee Kitchen Hand Towel Set by Tegeme.
Don't miss out on the buzz. Get yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy shopping!